Tech panel. It's the best because they take time to break everything down for you.
Hi everyone, it's Emilia from the Shida Foundation, and I have Ngozi and Roland here with me.
Hello.
7 weeks ago, Ngozi walked in here willingly to be part of the Jersey for Job initiative.
So I found about Jersey for Jobs program on Facebook. Okay, so I came for Delmi Institute because it's for a short period of time. If there is someone there out there to encourage me to go into whatsoever would make me happy, it makes me feel fulfilled.
So we want to encourage more women into the skill trade. So that is why we decided to partner with Delmi Training Institute to sponsor 10 ladies and bring them on to the skill trade. And it's been 5 weeks. Her training has come to an end, and she will tell you her experiences while she was being trained.
Hi everyone. First of all, I really want to say thank you to Shida Foundation, to Jersey for Job, and to Delmi Training Institute for supporting women like me and some other women that they supported to pursue their career and then to be able to also learn a lot of skills. I've come to an end of my 5-week training. It was an excellent training. First of all, when I came in, I was a novice. I didn't even know anything, nothing. I didn't know what is network cabling. I didn't know what was access control. I didn't even know that it was access control that controls the door opening, the door closing. I didn't know a lot about electronics. I didn't know a lot about different types of camera. But me coming to Delmi Training Institute, they really broke everything down for me. I also want to thank Mr. Roland for being a wonderful teacher, for always pushing me to do my best. Though I'm always hiding, he's always making sure to call me to always ask questions. Do you understand? If you don't understand, talk so that we can explain to you. I really want to say thank you. And I also want to say thank you to all the Delmi crews for taking their time to help me to achieve my goal. I'm so confident that, I can go to the labor market right now.
How was your first day? Were you nervous?
I was nervous, very, very nervous and confused.
But are you nervous today?
No, I'm not. At least I know some terminologies to use. Yeah, and then I know how to when some scenarios comes up, I know how to explain and then to know how to give solution to that scenario.
Which of the subjects was your favorite? Which one challenged you the most?
The one that challenged me the most was access control. Tech panel.
The Tech panel traumatized you.
Crazy. From morning to night, we were on Tech panel. It was so crazy, but it was fun though. It was fun. I really enjoyed doing it. And then the easiest for me was cameras. I loved cameras. But you see, electronics and relay, oh father, it was so hard. But at the end, it was broken down for me, which I really understood at the end of the day. Yeah.
What would you say about the training that we offer here?
It's 100/10. No, it's the best because they take time to break everything down for you. They break everything. If you don't understand anything, just tell them, and then they bring real life scenarios to you. That's why we had different type of cameras, like what you will see on the field. I will never forget you. They brought that one too, different type of things that you will see on the field. Whatsoever we do in class, they treat it as what you're gonna see on the field. Roland will say, so if your customer asks you about this, what are you going to tell them? Is this what you're gonna say? Is this how you're gonna respond to your customer on the field? So it's real life scenario in the class. Yeah.
How prepared are you for the field?
100% prepared.
100%.
Yeah, 100. I can't wait. Like I said earlier on, because we're going to go for internship soon. I can't wait to go on the field because I love what I'm doing. At least the training made me love it. So I really can't wait to go on the field to experiment, put whatsoever I've learned to reality.
We know that there are many women out there who want to have the same experience that Ngozi experienced here at the Delmi Training Institute. I want to thank each and everyone, especially the Shida Foundation, for making funding available to empower ladies like Ngozi to go through the program, where they've been able to discover a new passion in the network cabling and electronic security industry. So for those of you who are watching, if you're looking to hire a trained, certified technician, she's ready. You can add her to your roster. Until then, keep watching the Delmi Training Institute channel, and we'll see you on the next one.